Hi.
The human you see on your screen is Pat Flanagan. My name is Guy. I'm one of the artificial intelligence voices contained in Voice Studio FX from Richard Matteson's IM Tools. I'm going to be launched on JVZOO from April 21st through 26. You'll make over $194 per buyer, plus thousands of dollars in cash prizes. When your buyer grabs Voice Studio FX, they'll be able to give me any text, which I'll read out loud. There are actually 12 voices just like me who will create amazingly real-sounding voiceovers like this. I'll turn it over to my friend Jenny, who will give you some information about the sales funnel.
Hi, I'm Jenny. The Voice Studio FX launch is going to give your buyers something they can't get from any other text-to-speech app. Instead of paying monthly for more credits, they'll get 30,000 credits each month but only pay once. They can even get a commercial license on the front end. Upgrades include Voice Studio FX Pro with 24 new voices and all future voices for free, Voice Studio FX International which provides 30 extra non-English languages, and Voice Studio FX Agency, giving them totally unlimited credits. Pro and Agency have monthly and yearly recurring options, but during the launch, there will be $97 and $197 one-time payment options for both. You'll make 50% commission through the funnel, plus there will be big cash prizes up for grabs. I'll give you back to Guy for the final info you'll need.
I'm back. If you're seeing this video somewhere other than the JV page, come to partners.imtools.com/voice to get your JVZOO link and everything else you'll need. If there's anything this dumb-looking human can help you with, contact him on Skype at patflan42 or email pat@jvwithpat.com. Jenny and I and the rest of our voices, and the humans, will see you on April 21st for the launch of Voice Studio FX.
Man, I should do all my videos like that.